if you lose your balance and jump the front, making sure you cover your head. 3 seconds counting before you go out. What? Hands first before your head. Sometimes the would grind. So, no need.
Que cuando te venga una ola, te venga así para arriba y ves que te tienes que ir para abajo, te vas abajo si te quedas abajo contando 3 segundos. Entonces sales. Sí, y cuando sales tienes que sacar primero los brazos para asegurarte que no tienes nada arriba. A veces está la tabla o puedes estar en el barco.
Understand?
Yes.
Yeah. So, 2 kinds of stance in surfing. So, if you're dominant right and you're guard left, this is regular stand. But if you're dominant left and you're guard right, this is goofy stand. So always remember, if you're dominant left, the leash is at the back. See, the purpose of the leash, if you lose your balance, it's easy how to catch your bird. So, leash is very important. Okay? So one by one, try to go on your board.
Pues avisa porque te están preparando.
No, one by one here. One by one. What's your name?
Claudia.
Claudia.
Yes. Es que me está
I'm
dando
your
miedo.
teacher
no
now,
quiero.
Claudia.
Vale.
Okay, lie down, Claudia.